In today's world, it's becoming very important that you do certain certifications if you would like to grow in your career or you would like to stay ahead in the queue. And why I'm saying so? Well, there are certain reasons for that. First of all, nowadays companies are looking only for those professionals whom they can trust. And how they can trust you? Well, for that you have to prove that you are a certified data analyst or data engineer or anyone into different domain. In today's world, it's becoming very important that you pursue certain certifications. But why you should do that? Why companies are asking for the certifications and which certifications are right for you? Well, if you also have these kind of questions in your mind, then this video is for you. So please stay tuned with me till the end of this video and I'm gonna let you know everything about it. Hi there, my name is Ajay Kumar and I welcome you on BI Consulting Pro. If you are over here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you always stay updated with our latest videos and content. However, if you haven't joined our channel, then we request you to please join our channel. All the contents are free over here, but if you are going to join this channel, then you are going to support us so that we can create more contents for you and we can help you in different ways. Now, enough all the talking. Let's get back to our topic where we were talking about that why you should do the certifications and why it's so important for you. Guys, you need to understand that every employer are looking only for those professionals whom they can trust. And one way to establish this trust is that you do certain certifications. Certifications are a proof that you have certain qualifications or you have a knowledge that they are seeking for. That's the reason whenever you are being contacted by a human resource advisor or a recruiter or someone else from an organization, they always ask you whether you have done certain certifications or not. That way they can scrutinize you. That's the way that you can clear to the next step. That's why I'm saying so. Certifications are very important. First, you can see at what level you are. Are you qualified for that particular job or not? Secondly, these certifications are going to help you to grow in your career, to get better job, better salary, and in fact, they can provide you exponential growth. However, this might also be a question in your mind certain times. So after doing a certification, it's not adding any value. But you don't know. It's already adding value as compared to other candidates who are not certified. For example, I'll give you a very realistic example over here. In my team, which is a global COE team, whenever I am hiring someone, there's a prerequisite that that person should be a Microsoft Fabric or Power BI certified engineer. And why is that? Well, this let me know that this person has worked on Power BI or has knowledge about Power BI rather than a person who hasn't done the certification. Also, it shows me that this person is serious about this role. Now, you are getting what I'm trying to say over here. That certifications are really important for your career journey, for your career growth, and also time to time you renew those certifications. That means all the latest updates that are coming into that particular area, you can get aware about that. And don't mind me saying that you should always stay updated with the latest technology trends which are going to help you out. Now, enough for this part, that why these are important, how they can help you. Definitely they can. And if you would like to check certain numbers, you can Google, you can use ChatGPT, certain other things, but you would get to know definitely that you can get up to 10 to 20% or maybe more as compared to other candidates who are not certified. Now we are going to move to the next part where I'm going to let you know what are the most important certifications that you should pursue as a data engineer or as a data analyst. I primarily work on the Microsoft technologies. However, there are certain other technologies as well. If you would like to know about those certifications, you can comment in the comment section and I'm going to let you know everything about that too. However, in today's video, I'm going to focus on Microsoft certification and one another certification that you should do. If you are working on Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Fabric, or if you would like to build your career using Microsoft technology in data field, then these certifications may be a game changer for you. So what is the first certification? Well, over here, the very first certification that you can see on your screen is Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals. And why this certification is so important? You need to know that Azure is a cloud platform for Microsoft, and all the technology that Microsoft is building nowadays, they are based on Azure platform. That's why you should need to know what is cloud, how it works, what is Azure cloud technology, what are the different concepts, for example, software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, what are the different data storage options are available over there, how you can take leverage in order to analyze the data, etc. Everything you're gonna get to know over here. I'm gonna provide you all the links in the description section as well, so that you can go on those particular links and you can start working yourself or start learning from there. If you would come over here, you would see that the level is beginner and the product is Azure. Now, if you are gonna come there, then you would see what is Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, what you are gonna learn in this one. This is not really a big course, but this can help you out to understand Microsoft Azure Cloud Technology. This would also help you further whenever you are working as a data engineer or a data analyst using Microsoft technology in the future. This would clear out all the different concepts of the different data analytics services or software services that are provided by Microsoft. This certification is AZ900. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Sometimes I can be wrong, so don't worry about that. So over here you would get certain practice exams as well. You can also launch the sandbox, and which is applicable for all the different kinds of exams or certifications provided by Microsoft. You can check the fee over here. If your organization is providing you the facility that you can pursue on behalf of organization, please do that. However, do remember that do not ever register your certification exam using your organization email address. Why is that? Because if you are going to leave that organization, that you may not be able to access your certification dashboard, and because of that you cannot renew your certification exams. However, fundamental exams are for indefinite. You don't need to renew them, but you may need them whenever you are going to the next employer or something. So trust me, register using your personal email address or create your Microsoft account using your personal email address. That's gonna save you a lot of efforts in the future. Now you can see that the exam code is AZ900. Everything is over here, so please go through that. Now we are gonna come to the next part. If you are trying to build your career as a BI engineer, data analyst, or data engineer, or any other role in the data field, even you are a data solution architect or something else, but you are working with the data, then you need to have this certification, which is very important, which is DP900. And similar to AZ900, the course structure, everything is over there. You will find all the information when you are gonna come into this part, and here you can click and you can start exploring, start reading. You would get all the practice labs, etc. in that. Please do that. Do as a part of self-study. We have already created a course for AZ900 on this YouTube channel as well, so I request you to please go there, check those videos and start learning today. Next, if you want to gain knowledge of Microsoft Power BI, then you can go for this Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate examination or a certification. This is PL300. The cost is over here. We have already created a lot of videos on PL300. Please do check our channel for that. All the latest videos are over there with the latest content. And I'm getting one question more frequently, that is that playlist is enough to clear your exam? In order to clear your certification exam, you need three things. First, you have to use these Microsoft certification documentation, go through that, practice that, use that lab. Secondly, go through our videos where we have provided all the different contents for you so that you can understand them easily. Thirdly, practice, practice, and practice. So you have to give yourself some time. You can also find a lot of different question answers over the internet and you can start practicing them. However, if you need a specific question and answers which are like you are gonna face in the exam, you can contact us and we can also provide you those question and answers with a minimal fee. And I'm sure after practicing from those question and answers, you can clear your exam 100%. So that was the third certification exam if you want to build your career in the data field as a BI, data visualization expert, or Power BI developer. However, the next certification has a much bigger scope. Whether you are a data engineer, data science expert, ML engineer, AI engineer, or you just want to work end-to-end in the data and analytics field, then Microsoft has recently launched their new platform. In October 2023, Microsoft has launched Microsoft Fabric as a full-fledged platform. There's a lot of different experiences over there, such as data engineering, data warehousing, real-time intelligence, Microsoft Power BI, etc. We have already created tons of videos on that. We have also created different videos for this particular certification exam. You would come on this link and here you would find that Microsoft Certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate exam is there. Level is intermediate. Product is Microsoft Fabric and it's for data analyst and data engineers. However, if you are BI engineer also, then this is for you. Then there are the different courses that you have to go through. You would also find here assess your knowledge part, where you can take certain assessment and check your knowledge. You can also do some demos and then videos. We have created definitely videos for you, how you can get started, what are the core requirements for you, what are the limitations, etc. So please do check the videos that are available on BI Consulting Pro YouTube channel. You will find the fee structure, etc. Once you pass this exam, after every year or two, you need to renew your certification exam as well. Renewing of your certification example is quite simple, but as I said, please create your own Microsoft account or register using your personal email address so that you don't lose track of your certification, or you are not going to face any problem in the future whenever you are trying to renew your certification. Next is DP700. This exam certification has not been launched yet. However, you can find certain details over here. This is still in the beta. It's implementing data engineering solution using Microsoft Fabric. So if you are a data engineer, you would like to build your career using Microsoft Fabric, then this certification exam is for you. I'll provide you again this link in the description section, so please go through that, check it out, and stay tuned so that whenever it's generally available, you can start learning from this one. So that whenever it's generally available, you can start pursuing this certification exam. However, there's also a ask that if you are a Azure data engineer, then what certification you should do? Well, previously there were 2 certification exams to become a Azure certified data engineer. However, nowadays there's only one, which is DP203. So you would find over here that this is the DP203 certification exam. All the course material, what are the skills are including over here. There's SQL, Python, Scala. Then there are the different services provided by Microsoft Azure over here that you need to learn, and then similar structure is over there. We have also created dedicated videos for that. We have provided all the free videos for everyone so that you can learn. However, guys, creating these contents is not so easy. That's why we are requesting you again and again, start joining our channel, become a family member of BI Consulting Pro. And that is very easy. You just need to join it. It's just gonna cost you $5 per month per user. So please start joining this. We are creating a lot of content for you, and it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of efforts, and also it takes a lot of money. So if you are gonna support us, if you are gonna join our channel, you can also take advantage of live streams only for the channel members. That's right. We are going to have 2 live streams every month for our channel members so that we can solve your concern, we can address your concern, we can guide you, we can help you out in a better way. Isn't it amazing? Well, we need your help, so please help us and join our channel. Also, do share these videos with your friends and colleagues and ask them to subscribe and join our channel. That would be really appreciable if you can do that. Now, next to that is Microsoft Databricks. So Databricks is growing exponentially. Many organizations are building their data lake architectures using Databricks, and for data engineering solutions, they are using Databricks. Not only that, if you're a Power BI developer or a data analyst, then also you need to have expertise in Databricks. Databricks fundamental trainings are free, of course. You can check the internet, you can check their website. However, if you would like to pursue a Databricks certification exam, then I highly recommend for this exam as well, but go step by step. Like I have mentioned, all the different certification exams step by step. Please go one by one. You don't need to do all of them at once, and do not hurry. The main idea over here is to first to learn, gain understanding, and then prove your skills. That's how you become a certified professional. Those were all the certifications that I would like you to appear and get certified as soon as possible. In this video, we discuss what are the different certification exams, how they can help you, why should you appear for them, and what you can achieve once you are a certified data professional. If you have any question and concern, please do let us know in the comment section. And once again, guys, if you haven't joined our channel, please do join our channel, support us. Also, guys, please do subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, share this video with your friends and colleagues, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring the world of data, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.